Los Angeles is no stranger to wildfires, but have you ever wondered how these infernos start and spread so quickly? With California's dry climate and fierce Santa Ana winds, even a single spark can ignite massive fires that race through the landscape. Every year, thousands of acres are scorched, homes are lost, and wildlife is displaced. But what's behind these devastating blazes? Most fires are caused by human activity, campfires, power lines, or even arson. Others are triggered by lightning during dry seasons. Fortunately, Los Angeles has some of the world's best firefighting teams, working tirelessly to protect lives and homes. But remember, prevention starts with us. Let's work together to reduce wildfire risks. Stay safe, stay aware.